up, you guys? Welcome back to WIDEBODY Nation. We've got another unboxing for you guys. So it is the Performance Development differential brace, including the cross member. So this is the beefiest diff brace you can get currently. It is early 2021, so we will unbox this Performance Development brace momentarily for you guys. If you are wondering about what this is the blood red full AAD Charger and Challenger kit that we just did an unboxing of. So check that video out here. Maybe wait till the end of this video to watch that. We also have the Mighty Mouse catch can and the StainlessWorks mid pipes as well, which we are doing. We have our Defund the EPA merch as well, because they are cracking down way too much on our race cars and our street cars. And we have the already sold Demon wheels and Minky Thompson tires. So appreciate you guys for subscribing to the channel. Comment down below if you guys run any type of Hellcat suspension, ScatPack suspension, Mopar or no car kind of deal. What tires you guys run, what diff brace you run, catch cans, and exhaust. With that being said, let's check out what is in the box. Boom, we're gonna roll it open. Comes with the old install instructions. So this is the full DIRS race brace. We have lots of different pieces, so we'll have to kind of piece it out here for you guys. We have the cross member right here. I will do these sped up after we get it all out of here. Just wanted you to see wanted you guys to see what actually kind of comes in the box and how it's packaged. So now that we have everything out, I'm gonna go ahead and get these undone. So we have the unboxed system now. Obviously, I'm not going to take all the bolts out of the bag because I am actually selling this to another racer because I do not have the Charger anymore, RIP Charger. So we have the actual kind of cross member brace, and then we have the diff brace, the DIRS system, from what I understand. I'm not going to be doing the install because I don't have the Charger anymore, and you know, this is not going to fit on the C8, so just need some turbos for that C8. Got all these bolts for the various applications of it. They even included the self-setting bolts, which is very kind of them to do so. So we're going to go ahead and package it back up. But if you guys are looking to protect your Hellcat, your ScatPack, your Charger, Challenger, whatever it may be, I would highly recommend this kit. This is pretty much the industry standard. Obviously, you're going to want to get your camber, your suspension all set up right, and you're going to want to get yourself a set of sticky tires, preferably sticky Mickeys, right? Or you can run some Nittos like we have over there for the C8. But this, honestly, is probably your first mod, because if you put some sticky tires on, even without beadlock wheels, you really run the risk of blowing your diff and just turning it into an absolute just spinning battering ram, just making an absolute soup kitchen out of the back of your Charger, Challenger, whatever it may be. So I'll give you guys a quick look at just kind of the quality of this. You know, you have the actual kind of bushing material in there to give it some give. You know, you got your Performance Development logo etched in there. Very beefy. This probably weighs, I would say, about 10 pounds right here. I would say this is probably another 5 to 8. And then this is probably 2. And then you got all your hardware. So definitely a beefy kit, but gonna really shore up. I mean, even if your diff shreds the gears inside, it's not gonna just totally grenade and turn into this like flying drive shaft. That's what, you know, that's what this is for, from what I understand. That's my tuners and my builders all recommended it. Obviously, a lot of you guys on the channel. So even though I don't get to put this on my car, I am very happy with the quality and the craftsmanship of this product. Just like I was happy unboxing this. You know, it's unfortunate I don't get to put like this $3,000 worth of billet parts on the Hellcat, RIP Hellcat. But, you know, at least we got to unbox them before we ship them off to good homes and good cars. This was a quick video, guys. Appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Definitely comment down below if you have any experience with these parts. We're doing the Mighty Mouse catch can right after this. That is cool because it has that Hellcat billet mount that just makes it look so cool. Let me know if you guys have any experience with the old version or this current version of these, what kind of wheels, tires you run, what kind of suspension kit or springs. I never ordered any springs, didn't get around to it. Let me know what type of exhaust you run. I'm gonna get these packaged back up for our friends. And if you guys are wondering why there's all this defund the EPA merch out there, we we've sold over 300 shirts so far. Every dollar we make is going to mods for the, well, it was for the Charger, as you guys can see here, and now it is for the C8, which is outside the garage right now because I'm doing this whole, spread for you guys, your viewing pleasure, but obviously the C8 lives indoors at night. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. The link is below in the description for the t-shirts. They're on Teespring, or if you see me at an event, we have a couple shirts left. I'm getting another batch made very shortly. We also have Webull, my favorite stock trading app, in the pinned comment below. They're doing 2 free stocks. Sometimes they do 4, sometimes they do 2. So at least 2 free stocks when you sign up and deposit your $100, as well as M1 Finance, another great stock trading app that allows you to actually trade, fractional shares, kind of put it in pies, get pretty fancy. So I recommend Webull to start, and then M1 after you learn. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and I will see you for the next video.